Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy iPhone 13 in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Prime sale, then this video is going to help you. iPhone 13 is an excellent device with good sets of cameras at the back and also at the front. You will get 6.1 inches XDR OLED display. Plus the A15 Bionic chipset is a treat that will give you a very good performance whether it is gaming or any other task you throw at it. But I will not suggest you to buy this device in 2024. There are two reasons for this. The first reason is it is a very old device. It is about 3 years old now, so it is not at all advisable to you to buy this smartphone in 2024. And the second reason and the most vital reason is the software update. As you are buying iPhones, you will definitely update to the latest version even after out of warranty. But whenever after warranty you will update your iPhone, your update will definitely corrupt the motherboard or upper PCB, or it will corrupt the display, as a result of which you have to replace the display at a cost of rupees 25,000 rupees. That is huge amount. Plus, if the motherboard gets corrupted, in that case you have to pay around 22,000 rupees to get it repaired. In my case also, whenever I updated to 17.5, it got corrupted and the display gone black. And after that, when I changed the display, I again updated to the latest version, that is 17.5.1, and actually the upper PCB got damaged and I had to sell the dead iPhone at a price point of only 8,000 rupees to the local seller. Moreover, if your iPhone 13 is under warranty, in that case also, you may not get the screen replacement after visiting the authorized service center because they will not acknowledge this problem. They will say that this problem is not due to the software update. So, I will suggest you not to buy iPhone 13. You can buy iPhone 12 or you can buy iPhone 14, 15 or any other series, but iPhone 13 series is the most corrupt series after update. Now you have to choose whether you want to update your iPhone or not. If you don't update your iPhone at all, in that case you can buy iPhone 13. But what's the use of that iPhone when you cannot update to the latest version, when iPhone or iOS devices are famous for their updates? Hope this video will help those users who actually are planning to buy iPhone 13 during sale or during offers in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have iPhone 13 or if you have faced these kinds of problems in your iPhone. I am eagerly waiting for your answers. Hope this video has helped you to get the best buying decision. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.